I want to turn to another factor that often doesn't get highlighted enough, perhaps in recent times, but there was a time when muscle men or the Bahubalis dominated Bihar's politics, and that has led the Nitish government to target the Mahagathbandhan and remind the voters in a way that when Lalu was in power, the Bahubalis or strongmen were also dominating, and they call it Jungle Raj, a term that has now stuck in the minds of many voters. But what of 2025? Gaurav Sawant is joining me. He is in Mokama because that's where some of the muscle men of Bihar are located. But before I come to you, Gaurav, I just want to turn to the muscle factor in Bihar. Now, this is 2025, way after Lalu's Raj, Nitish's Raj. Serious criminal cases. JDU 21, BJP 31, RJD 53, Congress 15, Source Association for Democratic Reforms. As you can see, every party, JDU, BJP, RJD and the Congress have candidates with serious cases against them. And the serious cases are the ones in orange. So if you look at that, 50% from the Congress, 58% RJD, 56% BJP, 26% JDU. And one of those constituencies that's going to be looked at very carefully is Mokama, because here is where Anand Singh, five-time MLA, is contesting again on a JDU ticket. But he's in jail at the moment, arrested over the weekend for serious criminal charges. Gaurav Sawant is now joining me from Mokama. Gaurav, you're in Mokama at the moment. Give us a sense of how you're seeing the battleground playing out. Is there a sense of fear on the ground, given the tradition of two Bahubalis this time, Anand Singh versus Suraj Bhan Singh's wife?
Rajdeep, indeed, this is one of the most sensitive constituencies going to polls in the first phase in Bihar, and the massive police deployment and the deployment of the Central Armed Police Forces are an indication of how sensitive this constituency is. But, isn't it so strange, Rajdeep? Mokama, that was once associated with the independence movement, with the freedom struggle, with Praful Chaki's supreme sacrifice. Praful Chaki at the Mokama railway station had made the supreme sacrifice of his life after that attempt on the life of a British district magistrate. And instead of the torture by the British, he chose to end his life. That Mokama that rose when Mahatma Gandhi gave the call for quit India in 1942, that Mokama is today associated not with the freedom struggle, not with anything, except it's associated only with these Bahubalis. And also, Rajdeep, unfortunately, Mokama is associated with joblessness. One factory after the other shut down. The Bata factory, which was the pride of Mokama and Bihar, shut down. This wagon factory, the rail coach factory, which gave massive employment, shut down. The spirits factory, of course, post-prohibition, shut down. The mills, cotton mills, shut down. And when you walk around Mokama, this was once a place which was so, thriving, which attracted a lot of talent, which got a lot of jobs. Now everyone's leaving and they're just going back. Now some of them want to come back and vote. Some of the youth have come back to vote, and I spoke to them. Of course, the horns that you hear, there's a massive traffic jam. Infrastructure has been built. So there are, these 4 bridges on the Ganga. There are other bridges on the Ganga that are coming up, Rajdeep. But the jobs are still not here. People migrate. Some don't want to come back. Some want to come back and vote. But Rajdeep, when there's so much talk about caste politics, when there's talk about despondency, a lot of people turned around and said, yes, all of that is right, but there's security in caste. And Mokama talks about that security, that when you vote for your caste, then you get security. Your representative is there. He will protect you. Good, bad, ugly, indifferent. They will still vote their caste, and perhaps that explains this situation Mokama is in. And I want our viewers to take a look at this report. The infrastructure is being put in place, but will industry come to this part of Bihar? Will industry bring jobs in Bihar? That's the big challenge. The youth are talking about naukri kahan hai, naukri kab milegi. Women, of course, very happy. The women I've spoken to, they're very happy with the suraksha that comes their way. So they vote their caste for security. Mokama, once hailed as the land of revolutionary freedom fighters, associated with the names of freedom fighters like Praful Chaki, who chose to end his life here at the Mokama railway station after a failed assassination attempt on a British district magistrate, rather than face British torture. Mokama that rose against the British during Mahatma Gandhi's clarion call during the Quit India movement. Sadly, today, Mokama is associated with the names of Bahubalis and Mafia, failed industries and dreams that have died. On this special broadcast, we will talk about what people in Mokama want, their hopes, their aspirations, and their expectations from this election. शांति कैसे होगी अगर यहाँ फैक्ट्रियां सब बंद पड़ी हैं, तो यहाँ के लोग फिर जीवनोपार्जन के लिए कर क्या रहे हैं?
अभी तो कोई खेती कर रहे हैं, कोई पलायन कर गए हैं, भाग गए हैं बाहर कमाने के लिए। यहाँ तो कोई है, और हम लोगों को विकास चाहिए और शांति चाहिए।
शांति हो का रही है? यहाँ तो गोलियां चल जाती है।
अरे वो सब घटना कभी कभी हो जाती है, उसको दुर्घटना कहिए।
अभी गपशप क्या है?
चुनाव में तो छोटे सरकार यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं। एनडीए भारी बढ़त है यहाँ पर, एनडीए का
भारी बढ़त है।
हाँ हाँ।
नहीं, लेकिन उसमें जो लोग ये पूछ रहे हैं
हाँ।
कि छोटे सरकार ने यहाँ किया क्या है?
हाँ।
जैसे बाटा की फैक्ट्री बंद है, वैगन
हाँ।
की फैक्ट्री बंद
हाँ।
है, मैकडॉवेल्स तो बंद थी ही
ठीक।
शराबबंदी की वजह से।
ठीक।
तो जो युवा है यहाँ के,
हाँ।
वो बाहर जा रहे हैं नौकरी तलाशने।
देखिए, ये जो आप बोले कि फैक्ट्री बंद, तो ये पहले से बंद है।
सही।
समझ गए? ऐसा नहीं कि ये आए तब बंद हुआ,
सही।
ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है। समझ गए? विकास जो होना चाहिए, जो एक विधायक का होता है, वो यहाँ हुआ है।
क्या सोचकर आप वोट देने जाते हैं?
इसलिए क्योंकि जब जितना शांति मोकामा में अभी फिलहाल है, पहले ऐसा नहीं था माहौल। मोकामा का माहौल पहले बहुत बेकार था, अभी माहौल अच्छा है, शांति है। बेटी बहू जो भी ये सब काम पे अच्छा से जाती है, अच्छा से आती है।
आपके लिए सुरक्षा इस समय आपके लिए बड़ा मुद्दा है?
बहुत अच्छा है, क्योंकि पहले का घर से बाहर कोई लड़की लोग नहीं निकलती थी, न कहीं बाहर जाती थी। अभी एकदम खुलेआम आराम से घर जाती है, आराम से आती है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होता है।
The iconic Bata shoe factory here in Mokama in Bihar, once the pride not just of Mokama but of the entire state. Footwear manufactured here was shipped almost across the country. In fact, it is said that tanneries from across the country sent leather here for manufacture of footwear. However, rising crime, rising lawlessness, it is said, at least by workers who still remain here in some pockets of Mokama, led to business going down and industries shutting. Gates locked, locks coming, and once again, it is hoped that improving law and order will lead to at least some industries returning to Mokama. Sons of the soil will not have to go out of this state and work for 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. They will be able to earn a decent living in their own state. Palayan is the word that people here in Bihar are very scared of. Leaving their state to work elsewhere. Security may be there now, but jobs and manufacturing is something that Bihar is looking forward to. With cameraman Satya Rautre and Alok Das in Mokama, Bihar, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.